And Lawn Care Mafia, Tall Farm Boy here. I just wanted to share with you all what my striper kit is that we put on a Scag Cheetah. This is a 2016 Scag Cheetah, and it has a really good place to attach a homemade striper kit. On the inside of the frame rail, you're going to see a little notched part right here. Well, I put a half-inch bolt directly through that hole on a piece of 1-inch square tubing that I mounted some half-inch thick rubber. This is belt material is what this is, and the way that it's made is that it flexes backwards whenever the mower drives backwards. It flexes forward when the mower goes forward, and it has lasted a year now. And if I ever need to remove it, I just remove the bolts that are right here. Really easy to do. It perfectly fits in this little notch in the frame right there, and from the rear it definitely doesn't look too obtrusive. The width of it is just about an inch inside of the tire tread width on both sides, and there you can see how it bolts up on this side again. Might need to snug that nut up just a little bit, but it's not going to go anywhere. Anyway, I put 5-6 different bolts that I drilled a hole through that rubber flap, and just works super keen. If you're looking for a easy way to make a stripe kit for your Scag Cheetah, I really recommend making something like that. Thanks for watching.